How to change billing address for Wells Fargo, right? So you can do the steps which I'm going to show you in this website, right? So you have to just go to the website here, Wells Fargo, and as well as you can do it in the mobile application. So if you're using a mobile application, open this Wells Fargo mobile app on your device and click on sign on. Then you have to enter your username and password. Same thing, you have to do it over your password. I mean, in your website, right? So this is Wells Fargo, and here on the left side you can see there is option of username and password. I can enter it here, as well as I can just click on sign on here on the top right, and I can just enter the details which is required. Right, now what you have to do, you have to go to the profile settings section, and once you are here into the profile setting option, you have to tap on personal information. Now, once you have tapped on the personal information or address, find the billing address linked to your credit card account. Tap on edit next to your billing address. So now you can just enter your new billing address and you have to confirm it, right? And this is how you can just change your billing address for Wells Fargo. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.